Billy Jack once again on location at the old St. Andrew's Cathedral. They've done a good job of sorry about the mowers over at this other building here. We're going to look at this art museum too. All the way around, except for in the back where the tower is. They've managed to stucco this whole building except for that back there. Close examination, thick stucco on the walls. It's hard to see. I suspect this is a red brick building with just a lot of facading done to it. This may be the actual nave itself. They claim is imported part of it from Scotland 250 years ago. I'm not sure what it is. Definitely another poured brick building, tan colored blocks. Billy Jack doing recon, over and out.